Good studio audience today.
Yeah. Studio audience, give us a round of applause. Woo! That was really weird.
Were you actually recording then?
I was. Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. One of my favourite types of PCs to build are the ones that are loosely based on a common theme. So when our friends over at Fraxcion asked us to build them a new computer to celebrate the launch of their new second season and their new website relaunch, we literally couldn't say no. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button right now and turn on that little bell to receive notifications. We upload multiple times per week, so yeah. Make sure you're subscribed. Also, we've got a Discord community, so come and have a chat with us. The link to that is also down below. So let's get to it and build them a cool new PC that packs a punch and has the looks to match. This video is brought to you by Fraxcion and their Season 2 clothing drop and the relaunch of their brand new website. Use discount code GearSeekers at the checkout to receive a 15% discount site-wide. Find out more about Fraxcion at fraxcion.com or at the link in the description. The theme was pretty simple. They wanted lots of red and lots of black, so that's exactly what we did. With that said, let's talk about everyone's favorite part. The parts. The CPU we chose is my favorite CPU this year. It's the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. The 2700X is amazing for high-end productivity, which is mainly what this machine's going to be used for. The motherboard we chose is the MSI X470 Gaming Pro Carbon. So we chose this board because it's black and it looks amazing. Also, it's got a built-in Corsair RGB header as well, which kind of leads us into the next part, which is the case. The case we chose is the Corsair Crystal 570X Red Edition. It's completely tempered glass, it's got lots of red accents, the airflow is pretty decent, and it includes 3 SP120 RGB fans. Next up is the main storage drive for Windows. We chose the new, it's new, right? Yeah. The 250 gig Samsung 970 EVO NVMe M.2. If you're building a new machine and you're not putting in NVMe, are you actually building a new computer at all? The power supply is the new Cooler Master MWE 650 80 Plus Gold, fully modular. Cheers to Cooler Master for hooking us up with the power supply for this build. So we chose red and black thermal take cable extensions for that custom look, man. And yeah, it includes pretty much every single cable comb you could ever need or ever want. Anyway, for cooling, we chose the Corsair H100i V2 because it's pretty competent in cooling 2700Xs. And yeah, we've used a whole bunch of them on them before. So yeah, I mean, you could kind of call us experts. We're replacing the stock fans with 2 Corsair LL120 addressable RGB fans. And for that extra splash of color, we're adding 4 Corsair addressable RGB strips. Don't worry, we're not unicorn spewing this build, all right? Just, you'll see it when we get to that bit. Lastly, the GPU. The GPU is a GPU that we had on hand. It's an MSI GTX 1070 overclock. It's got plenty of kick for what we want this machine to do and what this machine is gonna be used for. All right, peeps, let's get into the build. Also, we made some fresh music for this too, so yeah, enjoy. Alright, so I'm guessing you guys want to know like how this computer does. Well, I'm not going to get into that because it's irrelevant. But after playing with this machine for the past day and putting it through its paces, it's an absolute beast. Like, it really turned out well, and I really like how it performs. And for me, the best part of the entire build and the bit that surprised me the most was actually the motherboard. The MSI X470 Gaming Pro Carbon is probably one of the best AM4 boards I've used to date. Good job, MSI. Legit, I love it. I think I'm gonna get one for myself, let's be honest. If you're interested in any of the bits mentioned in this video, there are links in the description. Anytime you use one of those links, it gives us money, which is kind of cool. Also, special thanks to Fraxcion for letting us build this monster. Make sure you head over to their new website and check out anything if you want to grab anything. And if you want to grab anything, you can use the discount code GearSeekers at the checkout. It's also on the screen right now for people who weren't listening to me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do, and you know, tell us what you didn't like about it. Like, if you didn't like it, like actually say what you didn't like about it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm Nick with GearSeekers. You peek, we seek. And yeah, you can see it right there. It's pretty nice looking. And let's get a round of applause from our studio audience.
Yay!
That was weird, right? Bye.
Socializing.